Hello everyone. I just got a parcel from Amazon and let's see what it is. Ah, these look like welding clamps. Ah, I got these welding clamps because it was a hassle holding it together with just these tri squares and then clamping up. Too much of a messy job using these. So I got these and now you will see some welding projects coming up. I got four of these because one is never enough, so I ordered four at once, and these are quite sturdy and strong. Good hold. That's what's required for a welding clamp, to have good magnets. It says Kian. I don't know which brand is this, but I got these for a good price, about 307 rupees, and it came to me for about 14.25, four pieces shipped. So I feel it's okay. Making these was on my mind, but buying a sheet and then cutting it precisely was a bit tedious task. So I found a good price, and without giving a second thought I bought them, and here it is in my hand. I'll give you the link below of Amazon, and you can order if you wish to do some welding projects. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching.